Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about a programming example. In that we are going to discuss about Morse code. So what is a Morse code means? So Morse code is a method used in telecommunication to encode text characters. So these are the Morse code. So for A, small a or capital A, so this is the Morse code you are going to use. Similarly, for B, so this is the Morse code. C, so this is the Morse code. The purpose of the program is you give string as an input and it prints the equivalent Morse code to the string. Okay, here we are taking two arrays. One is alpha Morse, another one is num Morse. In this alpha Morse, you are going to store all the symbols that are equivalent to alphabets. Similarly, in num Morse array, you are going to store all the symbols equivalent to numbers 0 to 9. The first one indicates 0. So this is the Morse code equivalent to 1. This is for 2. Okay. So after that, here we are taking one str. So this is the string we are going to use to read the string from the keyboard. Okay, so for example, here I enter hi space 127. Now, so what is the equivalent Morse code for this? Hi means H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is the H. 4 dots. So it prints 4 dots space A. What is the A here? Dot hyphen space I. So this is the I. So it prints dot space. Here we have space, so it prints another space. So 127. What is the 1 equivalent here? So this is the 1. So it prints dot hyphen 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 space, so 2 dot dot hyphen 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 space 7. 3 4 5 6 7 means hyphen hyphen dot dot dot. So this is the output for the string hi 1 to 7. Okay, now we see how it prints this Morse code. Okay, so what is the string here? Hi 1 to 7. It stores like this: hi space 1 2 7 and /0. I hope you all are know so how the string is stored in the array. Okay, /0. It takes H. Say H here. Str of I means H. So index of the H is 0. Index of A is 1. Index of H is 0. It's stored like this. So this is the 0, 1, 2, 3 space, 4, 5, 6, 7 is /0. Okay, first we take H. H equals to /0? No. So enter into this loop and you can check this H is space or digit or alphabet. If it is space, then directly you print the space. If it is digit, you are going to print you can recognize that by using isDigit function. If it is alphabet, then here the condition that not equals to space and that not equals to digit, then it is alphabet. So we check this condition H, it satisfies this and we enter into this block. What is here? Percentage S space alpha Morse. That means this is the alpha Morse array. Convert this into upper. Here, so str of I is H. Now H is changed as capital H. Capital H. Capital H. Capital H minus 65. So capital H ASCII values are. So this is the ASCII values. You check capital H. The ASCII value is 72. 72. So 72 minus 65. 72 minus 65, 7. 72 minus 65 is 7. Now, so alpha Morse of 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7. So this is H. So it prints on monitor. Okay. What is the next one? A. A. So what is the A ASCII value? A ASCII value is 65. So 65 minus 65, 0. So what is alpha Morse of 0? Dot hyphen. So dot hyphen. Next I. What is the I ASCII value? 73. I ASCII value is 73. 73 minus 65, it is 8. So alpha Morse of 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8. So dot dot as a output. Okay. So next, after I, there is a space. str of I not equals to space, it is false. So the control goes to here. str of I equals to space, yes, it is equals to space. So printf one space. So here I print one space. Okay. The next one, 1. str of I equals to 1. It is true. So enter into the block. Not digit is false. So we go to here. Is digit? Yes. And stri not equals to space? Yes, it is not equals to space. So printf. So numbers str of I minus 48. Here str of I is 1. What is the 1 equivalent ASCII value? This is the 1 equivalent ASCII value. 49. So similarly here. So 1 means 49. So 49 minus 48, that equals to 1. So what is the 1 in numbers? 0, 1. This is the 1. So this is the output. Next 2. So what is the 2 ASCII value? So 2 ASCII value is 50. So 50 minus 48, 2. So what is numbers of 2? So this is the 2. Dot dot hyphen hyphen hyphen. So next 7. What is the ASCII value of the 7? 55. 55 minus 48, 7. So what is the numbers of 7? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7. So it prints hyphen hyphen dot 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 as output. Okay. So what is the next one? The next one is /0. /0 not equals to /0. This becomes false. We exit from the loop. At that time, what is the output? This is the output. Okay. Now we execute this program. GCC program 43.c. So this is the warning. /a.out high 1 to 7. If you observe that, the same output we got. So 4 dots. So dot hyphen dot dot space. So for 1, dot hyphen hyphen hyphen. For 2, dot hyphen hyphen hyphen. For 7, hyphen hyphen dot dot. Okay. I hope you all are understand how the string is converted as a Morse code.